Alright, a whole month passed and we're ready to open our vinegar date and check up on it. Let's cook American food. But it's not American food. Well, it's not American food. Yeah, I hope it didn't went bad. And we can discuss what went wrong if it went wrong, and hopefully it didn't. It smells really strong so far. There is some sign of molds around the edge, but nothing inside looks like a mold. So I would guess that the outside got moldy because the thing is spilled while it was in storage. So a question, how can we fix this? Make sure you cover it really tight and really well. And the thing should work fine. And I'm just cleaning the sides so when I pour it, it doesn't get on the way. It doesn't smell disgusting or bad. It smells right, like the way I know it. Except I'm just worried about the mold that formed in the outside. And it's like just really on the outside, it didn't get inside. Which is just a storage error. Alright, for a safety measure, because I saw the mold around it, I'm gonna just boil it for 10 minutes. Like I will keep it on the heat until it reaches the boiling point and let it boil for 5 minutes. And then turn off the heat. I know I said 10, but I just meant 5. And that should kill anything bad in it, if there is anything bad, which doesn't look like it because I didn't see any sign of mold on the inside. It was just the outside, which is very possible it was a spill that happened when I was moving it to the storage. Alright, let's boil it and I will be back and I will show you what you can do with it. Now we can fill our bottles. I will use one more mesh to fill the bottles just in case if anything got stuck or something that I didn't sieve it the first time. And I have a bee flying around here, so if I acted weird, it's just the bee. Alright, and wait for it to cool down a little bit before you cover it. I know, I forgot to mention how does it taste like. I poured myself some in a cup and I will taste it and tell you how it tastes like. Well, before that, it smells like date. A bit like aged date, and date that have been sitting outside for a long time. I can smell the garlic as well, and that's about it. Okay, it's definitely acidic taste. I can feel the kind of saltiness, and I also can feel the garlic. And I guess that's basically the sweetness or the sugar in the date converting to this thing. It does taste like vinegar too, but spicy one. Would I recommend just drink it by itself? Probably no. But would I put it with other spices and marinate meat in it? Definitely yes. And I will be doing that soon. Because we were supposed to do it last time when I made that shua. But we didn't have it ready, so now we have it ready, so I will be doing that soon. But yeah, I will show you how to really use it in future videos. Thank you for watching and you have a nice day. Bye.